Suspense over government formation in Jammu and Kashmir intensified further on Tuesday, with BJP's General Secretary Ram Madhav meeting J&K Governor N.N. Vora. This meet has come just a day ahead of Mehbooba Mufti's scheduled meeting with the state's constitutional head. However, Ram Madhav has termed it a courtesy call and denied discussing the issue of government formation with the governor.
We have to be a partner in the government here. These things we will discuss with the partners. We will see how the government takes shape. We will see. Without us, no government is possible.
The PDP on Monday had come out with an idea of a grand alliance with its arch-rival National Conference and the Congress to form the government. However, BJP has termed it a betrayal of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
कश्मीर का जो भी मैंडेट है वो साफ तौर से वो पुराने सारी कॉम्बिनेशंस के खिलाफ है। वो जो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस और कांग्रेस पीडीपी इन सब अरेंजमेंट से परे है और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कश्मीर की आवाम अब इस तरह के मैंडेट को स्वीकार करेगी।
The Congress has already extended unconditional support to the PDP in a bid to retain political relevance in J&K's politics.
मुफ्ती साहब हैं, बहुत सीजन लीडर हैं, हमारे स्टेट के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सीजन लीडर्स हैं। उनको वो टाइम लेंगे और उनको टाइम लेना भी चाहिए क्योंकि ये 6 साल की बात है और J&K बहुत ही एक हिसाब से सेंसिटिव स्टेट भी है और वहाँ की पॉलिटिक्स भी बड़ी इस वक्त फ्रैगमेंटेड है।
Speculation has been high over BJP and PDP coming together to form the next J&K government, but with the PDP setting tough conditions for the BJP over the issue of AFSPA and Article 370, prospects look bleak. Results of the state's assembly polls came last week, but uncertainty over government formation persists, with the possibility of president's rule being imposed if parties can't come together by the 3rd week of January. Bureau Report, DD News.